Scoot Private Limited, operating as Scoot, is a Singaporean low-cost airline and a wholly owned subsidiary of Singapore Airlines. 4. It began its operations on 4 June 2012 on medium and long-haul routes from Singapore, predominantly to various airports throughout the Asia-Pacific region. Scoot's airline slogan is Escape the Ordinary. 5. Scoot's fleet initially consisted of 6 Boeing 777-200ER aircraft previously operated by parent company Singapore Airlines until 2015, when the airline began to transition its long-haul fleet to the Boeing 787 Dreamliner. Scoot also uses the Airbus A320, inherited from Tigerair, another low-cost Singaporean airline which officially merged with Scoot on 25 July 2015. Along with the Airbus A320NEO and Airbus A321NEO for its short-haul flights.